Told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter than that star.
It is about 8:45 and we are off down to IHOP. Well, there's an IHOP and a Denny's. If IHOP's too busy, then we'll go to Denny's. Denny's tends to be a little less busy. We're heading there, going to grab some breakfast, and hopefully then that will then do us through till 4 PM because we've got a reservation at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. So Lisa and Wendy aren't meeting us at IHOP, they're going to meet us at Seaworld today at about 11 o'clock, so we'll probably go in and meet them in there when they get there. Num, num, num. Come on in, let's go get our IHOP on. I just nearly got through a pint of chocolate milk in 2 minutes. I love the IHOP cups. Copy. Free refills.
Didn't bring that, that was already there.
Oh, was it? Oh, I don't know then. Oh. But you get free refills. What was your breakfast like, Mace? What was you had like a funfetti pancake, didn't you? Was it nice? Yummy. So before we go to SeaWorld, we're going to pop over to a tap shop.
I thought you went to the toilet. I was waiting outside the loo. Is this where you're going in?
Yeah, much to Daddy's disgust, we're going to pop over to a tat shop.
I was stood in there nice and I thought, I wonder if she's outside.
They've got some really nice hoodies in here. I quite like this. Quite nice thin. And that one.
I'll meet you outside.
Okay.
What can you get?
Well, we might not get anything. We'll go in a lot of these shops over the holiday time. We need to remember to get Grandma's magnet from... Oh, that's cool.
Where's mine?
Have I got Mason? Down the bottom. Mary, Mark. No? Let me get down and have a look. We are at SeaWorld. It's a beautiful day today. I think it's getting up to about 25 today. No. No. I've not been to SeaWorld in about 15 years. Oh, photo time, Mace. Okay, we've headed into the shops already. There's Elmo's. Big Bird. Oh, he's cool. I want a Big Bird. Oh, Oscar. It's Cookie Monster, Mace. Mace, it's a Cookie Monster.
No, I've got sharks in it.
That's you, Cookie Monster. It might turn off by itself. Put it back up there.
Why do you put it?
No. That's it. Ooh, no, you're not having that. Oh God, you've seen the plushies. Oh my God.
Can I have it?
Need to get Grandma a magnet. Oh look, here's the magnets. What magnet should we get Grandma? Penguin one. Or SeaWorld. I think we should get Grandma a SeaWorld one. Should we? We just head into the aquarium. Mason was literally just too small for the big rides. You have to be 54 and Mason's like 53. Never mind mate, next year. Oh, that's so cool. Look at their mouths. So we decided to get the refillable cup, which is $22 including tax, and you can refill it not only with fizzy but the slushies, and they have like about 10 different flavours. We got pina colada, haven't we?
And if you're hot,
We know a song about that.
if you're hot, it's really good because it's minus 350 degrees centigrade.
Okay, we're going to head on to Journey to Atlantis. And by the looks of it,
I might be shut
it's
down.
not very busy because all the boats coming round are empty. No, I don't think it's shut because they're still letting people in the entrance.
Oh, there's some. I'm not sure if it's a crown or Journey to Atlantis.
Well, I think it is running, I think it's just empty.
Oh,
no.
no, it's like a statue.
How's he got up there? How's he got right up there? They jumped, didn't they? Oh.
Just letting him sleep.
Oh, look at that. Look how cute they are. Oh, yeah. Oh.
That one's very chunky.
Oh. Oh, they're so funny.
Hello.
Go on then. Oh look, he's there. Did he get it? Oh, where did it go? You can't see it. Oh. Go on, go then.
Right then.
Nice and high.
Do it overarm.
Oh. Mason, you're throwing. So Trevor and I have just done, we did Mako and we did Kraken.
And it didn't make me feel sick at all. Look, I'm fine.
Trevor went a bit pale after Mako. And we've just had to have a sit down for half hour for him, for the old boy. But I think we're, not sure where we're heading to. I think we're going to Infinity Falls now.
Are we doing river rapids then, the dropping one?
No, I think we're doing Infinity Falls, and then it'll probably be time, yeah. It'll be time for us to get an Uber for our dinner at Toothsome. Yeah.
What's this in the bag?
Is it going up yet? There it goes. Oh, it's just going over the top. That first drop is epic. It's going to come through here, Mace.
I'm going to use airbending.
Right.
I'm going to use
Look,
airbending.
come and stand down here.
Oh, I'm going to use airbending.
Uh-huh.
Wingardium Leviosa. Did you see that beam? Yeah, the beam dropped perfectly.
Yeah.
When it came round. My shoes.
Show us your back, Mace.
It's not my shoes that are wet.
Mason can bring his socks out.
My socks are wet, not my shoes.
Trevor avoided it, saying he didn't want to feel sick. He didn't want to get wet or like.
And I'm very dry and comfortable, thank you.
Yeah. Now we've got to dry off before we get in an Uber.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy.
We are here at the Chocolate Emporium. Trevor's very excited about this dinner. Toothsome. Look at them.
I got my glasses.
How cool is this, mate?
There's chocolate ones, not real ones.
There's what?
Not real machine
Oh, I know. No, I've gone for the shrimp mac and cheese. Mace, you've got the mini burgers, haven't you? Wendy's got the risotto. Lisa's got the filet. And Trevor's got a burger. Some kind of burger. He's had a few too many old fashions. Look at these. Wow, I've got the same as Mace. Trevor's got them. Oh. Lisa's got the only sensible pudding here, the bread pudding, and well, Wendy.
Wendy's cool. I've got enough for the whole restaurant.
Yeah. Oh my god, this looks epic. This is the confetti one.
Just a bit.
The Mardi Gras was brilliant, the Mardi Gras parade.
You got so many beads. Mummy only got 2 there.
Well, I was helping him a bit. It was epic, wasn't it? He would have said, I've put it in, I'll put it in before here. But yeah, brilliant. Floats are just amazing and they're just huge and they just kept on coming. And all the beads just kept on coming. And yeah.
Oh my god, I can't catch them in time.
Right, we're going to have a Wander Through City walk now.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.